Right, so now we'll wipe it off. It's also a good tile to wipe off as well. Bloody beautiful, actually. But with a wash boy DIYs, you can't, you know, like there's a plastic clip. Where's my? Sometimes you miss them, but no biggie. Just pull the sucker out. Patch it up. I'm an nose, mate. I'll do that little bit of tile shortly once I've grouted my floor. Then everything has time to dry. Look at that. Beautiful. Pull that sucker out. A little bit more grout there. Beautiful. It's an easy tile to grout. Oh, one with a wash boy, one wipe and you're done. It's beauty. Beautiful. All right, DIYs. Stay tuned. We'll see you soon. Oh, far out. I didn't know it, but I was a poet. See ya. Bye.